Hello guys, very happy to see you all again with this new video today. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are just going to discuss about Youth Mobility Visa, which is Tier 5 that has been signed between UK and India. So a lot of students, a lot of people who are in India can apply for this. Only 3,000 applications they would be accepting. So we would discuss an overview of it and we can see how many of us can get benefit from that visa. If you are interested in this video, please continue watching this video, and if you feel that this video would be benefited for some other people, please share this video straight away. Let's get into our video today. Okay, let's see what this Youth Mobility Visa scheme is all about. Youth Mobility Visa scheme is similar to post-study work visa, but you don't need any student visa to apply for this visa. It is that you should be aged between 18 to 30 and you should have a savings amount of £2,530 on your bank account in the last 28 days to apply for this visa. You are eligible to apply to this visa if you hold all these requirements with you. And it's quite interesting that the visa application fee is just £244, which is very cheap when compared to post-study work visa. Same, if you want to live and work here for 2 years in the United Kingdom, you can apply for this visa directly rather than choosing a course, staying here, studying your masters, and after that you need to apply for post-study work visa, which is a very long process. And most important thing is that both of them are quite similar because you can live and work here up to 2 years, and after that if you don't have any company that who are ready for you to sponsor visa, then you have to get out of the country. So most of these things are similar, but this has a lot of benefits out of it. If you're 18 to 30, if you don't want to do your masters, if you have sufficient fundings on your bank account, and if you want to come here in the UK to search for your work or job, definitely go for this types of route because this is quite easy to get into the country. Most important documents that you need while applying for this visa is a valid passport, a bank statement with the savings that they have asked for, and your tuberculosis test results. Simple. Again, I'm just telling that a quick disclaimer. Please have a look on the website to get an overall idea of how this visa works, how you have to apply, things and stuffs like that, so that you don't feel confused on what should I do, what should I not to do, and how am I eligible for this, that. So get information, get quick facts, always recheck on what you're doing. Now let's discuss what all the things you can do and you cannot do while you're staying in UK under this Youth Mobility Scheme visa. The first thing, you can study but you need ATAS certificate for it. You can set up your own company but you cannot employ other people to work for you, and you can have an business equipment which you want to use for your company, but it should be less than £5,000. And the other thing is that you can look out for jobs and work here. You can work for the next 2 years until you have the valid visa. What all the things you cannot do is very simple. You cannot extend your stay after 24 months. You cannot work as a sports coach or a sports person, and you cannot bring your family members as a dependent because they need to separately apply for their own visa. So these are the drawbacks and these are the limitations that you have. I hope that everyone have got some facts about what this T5 visa is about, and if you have an opportunity that if you have everything, your savings, and if you are eligible, please go for it. UK is accepting only 3,000 applications, so be the first one. If you want to travel to UK, you have to apply this visa before 6 months, and they would be confirming you within 3 weeks after you apply for this visa. And once you got confirmed, you are ready to come into the country and start looking for the jobs that you are dreaming about. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Again, if you find this video useful, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end again. Bye. Take care.